Your website should be your number one salesperson for your company. And what's best about a website is it doesn't eat, sleep, poop, or complain. Your website has the ability to generate leads for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Whether a user gets there from ads, as a referral, or organically, your website is the first thing visitors will see and generally the first impression they get of your business. A well-designed website builds trust with potential customers and removes barriers for them to do business with you. It also should remind your current customers why they do business with you. Simply put, your website is the building block of your company because anything offline or online drives people to it. When users land there, the design and content should set you apart from your competition. Whether you are redesigning your current website or building a brand new one, we at Digital Space Marketing focus on the key elements that will help make your website work for you instead of against you. Some of those factors include a responsive design across all devices, especially mobile phones, easy to use navigation, quality content, clear call to actions, fast loading speeds, and more. For our website building checklist, click on the banner here or go to our resources hub on our website to download it. But before you worry about holding visitors' interest, they have to actually visit your website. And this is where you can work search engine optimization into your design. SEO or search engine optimization is what will cause your website to be on the first page of search engines like Google and ultimately attract first-time visitors. If you aren't on the first page, your competition is. When comparing your website to a car, we can see that it consists of the body kit, what the user actually sees, and the engine, what keeps your website running or how it is built. Oftentimes, it's better for your business in the long run to put a new engine in the car rather than put duct tape on all the parts to get it to run better. If you need a website or know you could be getting more out of your existing one, give us a call today or visit our website and get your free website audit. For all things digital marketing, follow us on Instagram, like our Facebook page, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Digital Space Marketing. It's one small step for you, but one giant leap for your business.